Hello, amazing traders, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again this morning. My name is FOREX, and in this video, I'll be doing continuous basic market structure on GBP JPY analysis, aka Mr. Beast, because another name for GBP JPY is called Mr. Beast. And without wasting much of our time, let's quickly do market recap of what market has been doing for the past 24 hours. Yesterday, if you watch my analysis, if you haven't watched it, click the previous video I uploaded yesterday to go and watch how we are able to catch some level of pips. As at yesterday, which was Thursday, market movement started from here. Yes, Wednesday, Thursday, market movement started from here, from this blue line. Let me change this blue line to Let me change it to purple. Yes, market started from this purple. And after this breakout, what happened? There was a massive, market was just selling. Everything was selling and selling and selling. So which means that as at yesterday, market was able to move for about how many pips yesterday? Market was able to move for average of from here 205 pips. And that is exactly what happened. So that 205 pips that happened yesterday, then that same evening market reversed back as I'm speaking now. 80% of that market was reversed. So from 205 pips, market moved back to 96 pips. 96 pips. And that is something serious. That is something serious. Market pulled back by 90. Pull back from 205 to 96 pips. So which means that almost 120 pips. That is what market took back. So, but that is not the major point. The major point is this, that we were able to run analysis yesterday from this purple color, and market actually moved by 205 pips into our direction. And that is why I usually says that you don't need to be a genius to make money in this market, but you need experience. You need a strategy and you need experience, because making money in this industry takes time. You will not just make the money, you will try as much as possible to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. It takes time. So as I'm speaking right now, this is Friday, and that market pulled back by almost 120 pips, 130 pips. Yes, almost 130 pips is now pulling back. It's now pulling back. It's now pulling back. So if market can empty this candle, then it means that market is actually coming. There'll be massive drop throughout today till maybe next week. So, and that is what price action is all about. Understanding the nature of market structure. The market moves in waves. And if market moves in waves, what your own duty as a trader is to know the perfect entry. For example, if you're planning to enter this market now, the perfect entry to enter this market is around this level, this key level. Yes, this key level is the perfect entry for this guy, because the reason why I said this place is the perfect entry is simple. Market can anything once market break this level of 194 to 75, then it means that the seller are in the market fully, and it helps you to understand that now there's a liquidity, there's now sell side liquidity of the market has been activated fully. But until that time, you might need to be patient to not to click that sell button yet. Yes, you must let market show you where it is going first, so that you will not be trapped into the wrong directions of the market. because a lot of traders, the market was designed to trick all of us. If you don't know what you are doing, market will trick you. You will enter the wrong side of the market, and before you know. So if market can deplete these two candles, this bullish candle, once market deplete it to bearish candle, that would be a perfect entry to enter this market. And from there, even let's say you enter your stop loss system, which is this is almost 51, 43 pips. Imagine entering a market with 41 pips stop loss, and you're able to catch even from today's key level is 165 pips. But if you're able to do more than that, fine. But at least that will be 1:3. So of whatever amount you used to enter. So just clean chart, nothing. Slow and steady. Patience, be strategic. Being strategic gives you an edge over others. You are not panic. You are not entering the market with a panic mode. No, 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 no. You need to understand what market is doing. That is one of the duty of highly skillful trader. And like I said in one of my previous video, that you need to be skillful in 2025. You can't be jumping around from one strategy to another, or because the strategy has a fancy name and you don't know. No, no, no. You have to give yourself time. You have to understand the nature of the market that you are trading. You have to let market teach you. And how will market teach you what it is doing? You will enter, you will chop stop loss, tire. Yes, you will make a lot of mistakes, and in the midst of that mistakes, that is where the wisdom lies over a long period of time. So this is this is GBP JPY right now. So we are waiting for this market to pull down to this key level. So once market pull down to this key level, then that is the perfect entry for this week mode, for Friday entry mode. And that is all I have for you guys this morning. That you don't have to, you just understand what market is doing, understand it is movement, and give yourself time. Give yourself time. Be cool. Don't over leverage your account. Find a perfect entry. Learn to enter market at entry. Market entry is also important because that will be it. When you enter market at the wrong time, what happens is that it 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 it, it increase your failure rate. Yes, entry market at the wrong time increase failure rate because you'll be panicking, you will be emotionally down, you are trying as much as possible to fight a lot of things. But when you enter market at the right time, even if that market will not go your way, you will still know that you do the right thing and market is not ready yet. But if you are doing the wrong things over and over and over and over again, even when you make money initially, what will happen is eventually you will lose the money because your goal as a trader is not to make money one time. Your goal as a trader is to do the right things and make money consistently over a long period of time. That is, your strategy must be able to give you money consistently over a long period of time. So if you have an hedge that is hardly giving you money, or the money that that hedge is giving you is lesser than the money you are losing, the hedge is not effective yet. So you might need to sit down, examine the nature of your hedge, and find a way to make it work, to make it more profitable than before. And that is all that matters because when you find a way to do that, it increase your capacity to make more money. So find a way, find a way, find a way. So this is the right entry this morning. So if you are planning to enter this trade, if you are lucky enough to see this market before the train begins to move, as long as this key level, once market break this key level 194,310, the next phase is market is coming, and it means that at least you have ability, you have access to move 140 pips in profit, and that is something powerful. 140 pips in profit. That is minimum of 1:3. Even let's say you are using $100 and you know that you make $100 to make average of $300 to $350. So that is the continuation of what market is doing this morning. So market started from here. So market started from here yesterday, pull back up, then what happened? Then from here, market now buy back like almost 75% of market of that sell side buy side liquidity yesterday was depleted. Now, so which means that trading is hard. So if anybody is telling you that yes, swinging make money, you can swing your way into financial success, but your psychology of the swing is in another dimension. The way we think is extraordinary. You need to trust your analysis to another side. It must be you must be on top of your game. Your emotion must be balanced. Because let's say you make $200 and market reverse back to come and take $160 from you, and you're still in that market. Nobody wants to lose money. People will lose, like they will exit the market as fast as possible. But you must know what you are doing. But when you know what you are doing and that market play out, you will enjoy every opportunity of it. Every juicy part of that market will make sense to you. So that is what we are waiting for this morning. So the sell liquidity continue once market break this support level. Once this support level in this yellow turn to resistance, then we are good to go. The sell liquidity continues. And once that continuation starts, then no panic, nothing. So that is what I have for you guys this morning. Price action is the king. Yes, it might be hard before you get it right. But once you get it right, it gives you peace. You know what you are doing, and that is it. So in 1 hour time frame, the sell side liquidity market is just pulling back. So and once market do that finish, what else? It means that the sell side is still on point. Now, here you can say now that the probability of this market, if this market started moving, I doubt that it will break this level and come to this key level of 192, if not more than that. So that is what we have here this morning. And in my previous analysis, I said that this is house rooftop chart pattern. Yes, this is the neckline. And I think what happened, market came to test that neckline again yesterday. And that neckline has been tested now. So once this neckline has been tested and it holds, then the next phase is this market is actually coming here. A minimum of 192.952 of GBP JPY. Market is coming to that key level. And that is something exciting. So this is 4 hour time frame, and I'm expecting this market to drop porously this morning, to drop extensively. At least how many pips? This is 160 pips, and GBP JPY has the capacity to drop more than that when this market is ready. In fact, how many pips is the entire 350? Market can drop this entire 350 today. Today. Yes, GBP JPY has the capacity to do the wonders of moving this 350 pips in a single day. Yes, but it's going to take time. So, and that is the nature of what market is doing. That is raw price action reading. So that is all I have. After market close today, by the end of today, this weekend, then I will update you on full analysis and full breakdown of what caused the entry, what caused the exit, why, whatever markets do at the end of this week, and we continue from there. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching to the end. Till I come your way again next time. Be safe.